morning everyone, myself Nikhil from 7th class. Today door word, groundbreaking, describe something ridiculous new, innovative, over in a field and opening doors to fresh possibilities. It is an adjective. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Jasmine from 7th grade. Today thought of the day, learning isn't about being perfect, it is about being curious and brave. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, myself Kavya from 7th class, Sanskrit Slokam. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, satru buddhi vinashaya, deepo jyoti namastute. Its meaning, solution to the light of the lamp which bringing auspiciousness, health and prosperities, which destroys inimical feelings. Solution to the light of the lamp. Thank you all.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, B. Krishna from 7th class. Base personality. Bruce Lee, 1940-1973. Born. Lee born on November 27, France, California, USA. Raised. He was martial arts and actor. Key film. The Big Boss 1971, Fist of Fury 1972, Way of the Dragon 1972, Enter the Dragon 1973. Enter the Dragon became a global hit. Cemented his legend before his untimely death. Legally influenced fitness, cinema, martial arts and pop culture worldwide. Museums, statues and documents honor his impact. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Joshua from 7th class. Today news, Sabarimala missing gold, former temple board chief and Vasi is being arrested in connecting with the missing gold. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Tanushree from 7th class. Today latest international news. China-India border tensions. India and China has been engaged in border talks with both sides working to resolve the ongoing tensions. Thank you all.
Good morning one and all, myself Mohan from 7th class. Latest business news. India economics. India is expected to remain the fastest growing major economic over the next 2 years. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Ram from 7th class. Latest political news. Exit polls predict a clean sweep for the NDA in Bihar with the party expected over 100 seats. Thank you all.
Morning everyone, myself Modila from 7th grade. Latest sports news. India is gearing up to face South Africa in a 2-test series starting Friday in Kolkata with Shubham Gill leading the team. Thank you all.
Now we are going to sing a song. Na na ni na na, na na ni na na, na 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 na. Desham manade, desham manade, desham manade, desham manade. Ye gurutunna jenda manade, neeti manade, jati manade, prajala andadanda manade. Andala bandam undi nedalo, atmiya ragam undi galilo. ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా భరతమాతకొకటే లేరా. ఎన్ని భేదాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా దేశమంటే ఏకమవుతామంతా ఈ వేళ. వందే మాతరం అందామందరం, వందే మాతరం ఓ అందామందరం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.
Happy Children's Day to all my children. On the occasion of Children's Day, my students 7th class making a free skits. Please watch and enjoy.
On the occasion of Children's Day, I want to say a few words about Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad to Motilal Nehru and Swarup Rani. He played a crucial role in Indian struggle for independence and was improved 9 times for his activism against British rule. Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India on August 15, 1947 and served until his death on May 27, 1964. Nehru established premier institutions like IITs, IIMs, AIMs to promote education and research. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India, reflecting his love and commitment to children's welfare and education.
Thank you, my child, your lovely words. My dear children, I am very happy with joy to receive your lovely messages on Children's Day. Thought I may have left this world. I lived on in your hearts, and that's what feels me alive. I may be gone, but my spirit lives on the idols. I should peace, equality, and justice. Keep these values close to your heart. Thank you again, my children, for celebrating Children's Day with me. May our lives be filled with joy, laughter, and success.
సమరానికి ముందు కృష్ణార్జున్ మధ్య సంవాదం.
హే కృష్ణ ఓ పాద, హే కృష్ణ ఓ పాద,
ఎదలోన భయమేందయ్యా,
నేను వెంగేలయ్యా. హే కృష్ణ ఏమి పాద,
హే కృష్ణ
ఏమి పాద,
ఈ కర్మ నాకేలయ్యా,
ధర్మాన్ని కాపాడయా.
పగవాళ్ళు మా వాళ్ళ చుట్టాలులే,
సమరంలో చుట్టాలు చెల్లి నాకు సాధించిన వర్మా.
వద్దులే మాధవ. ఆగు కృష్ణ,
కథపాద,
ఆగు కృష్ణ.
కథపాద.
ఓ అర్జున, ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ధర్మాన్ని ఆచరించాలి. ఆ ధర్మమే నిన్ను రక్షిస్తుంది. ఎవరైతే ధర్మబద్ధంగా ఉంటారో వారికి భయం ఉండదు, అండగా ఉంటుంది. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తమ విద్యార్థి ధర్మమును చక్కగా నిర్మించాలి. ఫలితాన్ని భగవంతుడికి వదిలేయాలి. అర్జున, చంపేది నీవు కాదు, చూచేది వారు కాదు. అన్నా, నేను సర్వము నేనే. నా మీద భారం వేసి నీవు నీ విద్యార్థి ధర్మమును నిర్వహించు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.